Now we're looking at the raw data for folio task 2, and we've drawn a graph, and I've drawn two graphs here. We can see we've got two separate curves, one in red and one in blue. Now here we have a cubic function with an r squared value, and down here a power 6 function and a better r squared value. So we would choose the power 6 function, but if we were to graph these two functions on the graphics calculator, so y2 is the power 6 function with a good r squared value, and if we draw that curve, we can see down here it's not turning back upwards as our curve does originally here. If we were to graph the cubic function, second graph now, we can see actually is a better approximation for the graph we have. It actually turns upwards. So it appears that even though the r squared value isn't as high, the cubic function is the better function based on what we're seeing on the graphics calculator. So just don't rely on the r squared value. Put your function into your calculator, and then that will help you decide.